Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner on a 2006 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. So first off we need to open up the engine compartment, so come over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, just down in the footwell, pull this black lever here and that will open up your engine bay. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just down here, below the Toyota badge, there's a lever. Give that a pull and open up the engine compartment. Over the left hand side of the engine, you'll actually see these two clips. Give that a pull and then actually remove the clips like so. Then that'll allow you to rock the box forward. Now, your air cleaner is actually inside there. So you can now remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner and also clean inside the filter box. To put it back, just place your new air filter or air cleaner straight in, making sure it's gone all the way in. Angle it back down, making sure the back goes in, rock the front round, pull the clips back round, making sure it's all nice and tight. And that's it. That's how to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner on a 2006 Prado. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.